monkey puzzle, and they were collected in 2009 when we went on an expedition to Chile.
You've got other monkey puzzles here though, why couldn't you just use the seeds from your collection?
Well, we only have female trees at the moment, so we need the males to enable the seed to properly pollinate each other so we get filled seed. So we went and collected these from a unique genetic population in the coasts of Chile, the only one remaining in the world.
The seeds are harvested from the cones of mature trees.
Yeah.
They're an edible seed actually, and they make monkey puzzle mash out of them. So we ate monkey puzzle mash while we were out there.
What's it like?
Beautiful. Sort of chestnut mash, you know, that sort of thing.
So each of these will be the seed on the cone?
Yeah. So they'll peel away, and you'll get about 200 seeds in each cone. They can't be stored traditionally in a seed bank because of that fleshy seed. So we're going to conserve them here at Wakehurst in a massive swathe, which we hope to be a Patagonian walkway.
Amazing. And none of these budding woodlands of the world would have been planted if it hadn't been for the 1987 storm.
Over the last 30 years, there's been an amazing amount of restoration that's happened at Wakehurst, an amazing amount of planting. And this is just a continuation of that, trying to conserve plants.
Here he goes.
Okay.
Let's do it.
There we go, so that's one of
How many?
80.
Well, I feel like my work is done. I might leave you to your other 79.
Thank you.
It's always a lovely feeling though, isn't it, putting a tree in the ground?
It is amazing.
There we go. My monkey puzzle firmly in the ground, a little helping hand towards nature.
But the hand of man can also be a hindrance as well as a help. And just like extreme weather, the storm of our industry can cause endless damage. But nature, as always, fights back. As Matt found out in Tyne and Weir.
There's a raw beauty to this place, with honest scars of its industrial past.
Nah.